Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Budget with the July Dreamer. My name is Miranda, and in today's video, I wanted to share with you a free trade update. I was going through my videos as I was trying to come up with content for the month of May, and I was like, oh wait, I have literally not given you guys an update on my free trade portfolio since February of 2024. I literally don't know how that happened. But then again, I haven't been sharing as many investment updates as I used to. So maybe that's why, well, that is the main reason. But I thought, you know what? Now is a better time to share this update with you guys. So, oh, I need this cushion because I need somewhere to lean on. And let's bring you guys down a bit. But okay, so I think I'm in frame. So I have my trusted mobile here. It's a gorgeous case, isn't it? I absolutely love it. I got it from Shein, but absolutely love it. And then I've got a piece of paper here because I went and I rewatched my old video from back in February of 2024, and I thought I'd do like a comparison of that, and I will be doing a screen record of my free trade portfolio. So without further ado, let us begin. Okay, so before I start this video, I do need to put out the disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, one, and two, everything that I share on my channel is for entertainment purposes, but also to give you guys an idea of what I'm doing with my money in case you want to do the same or just want to see what other people are doing, because I know I'm nosy and I love watching these videos, so I'm sharing these types of videos with you guys. I cannot speak. It's almost lunchtime and my mind is all over the place. But anyway, so that is the disclaimer, that is the spiel. So I wanted to really look at the free trade portfolio today because not only has it been over a year now, but I don't give free trade the accolades that it deserves. So my free trade portfolio, I curated it back in 2022, I wanted to say, and I have been slowly but surely investing into it. I invest £25 every single month. I think I've been doing this for about a year now, I want to say. And some months I'm able to send a little bit more than 25, but my standard base is always £25 every single month. So back in February of 2024, my balance portfolio value for free trade was £802.61. It was actually down by about £100 from the previous update that I gave you, and I think the previous update was like June of 2023. So I seem to take a little while to do these updates, but anyway, so on this piece of paper I have the portfolio. I have the investment that the holding that I'm investing in, then I have the number of shares that I held, and then the value of the shares. Then what I'm going to try and do before I edit this video is do like a table that I'm going to then put on the screen. I don't know exactly how we're going to do this because I seem to be like right in the center and I need to be like on the side to be able to put the screen record. So maybe let me move you guys a bit this side. So I will be on this side and then I can put the screen record here. So here's my mobile. I'm going to start the screen record now, and okay, so I've logged into my portfolio. So like I said, my portfolio back in February of 2024 was 802.61. As you can see on the screen right now, my portfolio value is 1,421.41. And according to today, according to the market, my portfolio is up in the last 90 days, is up by £4.44, which is not unusual, but unusual for me to see because I'm used to seeing this portfolio in red. Like, let's see, the max here, it's down by £2.05. In the last year, it's up by £36. In the last 6 months, it's up by £60. In the last 3 months, it's up by £4. In the last month, it's up by £47. Interesting. But if we look at it on a max, since I started investing, and I believe this was 2022, it's down by £1.94. So this is live, so you can see the fluctuations on the screen right now. Before it was £2, now it's like £1.94. Anyway, let's go down to my portfolio. So legal and general is the first one that we see here. So legal and general, I have been invested in this. I think it's one of the first ones that I invested in. With this one, I was at 68 shares last year and the value was 162 and 62 pence. I am currently at 116 shares and my current value is 279 and 15 pence. So according to the investment, I'm down by £8.25 with this investment. This holding does pay out dividends, but as you can see in the activities, I also invest quite a lot. So I started February 2022 is when I made my first contribution. And then after that, I got my first ever dividend in June of 2022. So invested first in February, got my first dividend in June. And then when did I get my next investment? I got my next dividend in September. So June, September. Yeah, so I think they pay out June and September. I need to put my phone on do not disturb. Let's just put on do not disturb because I'm getting too many notifications and it's getting on my damn nerves. But okay, so that was legal and general. It does pay out dividends, and I think I've mentioned this in the past. This portfolio is kind of like my dividend portfolio. I think all of what I have invested in pays me a dividend, and I'm hoping to live off this in latter years. So yeah, the next one that we have here is Tree Tax Big Box, and I want to say this is what used to be UK commercial properties. That's what I want to say. So with UK commercial properties, I had £213 and the value for this one was 143 and 14 pence. Right now I have 118 shares and the current value is 166 and 97 pence. This entire portfolio is down by almost £20. And I do get dividends from this one. I think UK Commercial REIT got bought by Tree Tax Big Box, I want to say, but it's been forever and a day. I honestly can't remember, but I believe that's what it was before. Then International Distribution. This used to be Royal Mail, but now it's called International Distributions. And with this one, I was at 35 shares and the value was £92 and 14 pence. I'm currently at 42 shares. And my current value is 150 and 89 pence. This one is down overall by about £5, which is not bad, but hey ho, this is the status. And the last time I got a dividend from this one was back in September of 2024, and I did say in the February 2024 video that I wasn't sure if we were going to get another dividend, and it looks like we did get a dividend from this. Okay, next one is that you can see on the screen is UK dividends. So UK dividends back in last year I had 13 shares. I currently have 18. The value then was £88 and 98 pence. It's currently 146 and 47 pence. This one is up by over £13, which is great. It does also pay out dividend, and I did receive a dividend back in March. So great, I love this for me. The next one I have is real estate. So real estate back in the day was 22 shares. I currently have 33 shares. Value was £89 and 46 pence. It's currently £122 and 73 pence. Overall, this portfolio is down. This investment, real estate investment, is down by over £37, which is crazy, but no surprise. The next one that we have is Green Court UK. Last year I was at 68 shares and I'm currently at 106. The value then was 87 pounds and 52 pence. It is currently at 120 and 20 pence. Overall, this investment is down by over 33 pounds. Crazy, but alas, this too does pay out dividends. Next one is National Grid. So National Grid, last year I was at 2 shares. I'm currently at 9 shares. The value then was 20 pounds and 29 pence. It's currently 92 pounds and 20 pence. Overall, the portfolio is up by over 4 pounds, which is honky-dory, and I do get dividends from this one as well. I got a dividend this year back in January. Next one we see is Asia Property. Asia Property, last year I was at 2 shares. I am currently at 5 shares with this investment. Last year the value was 31 pounds and 73 pence. It's currently 78 pounds and 6 pence. Overall, the portfolio is down by about £1, which is not bad, and it does pay out dividends. So I got my dividend back in February of this year. Next one is Developed Markets Property. Let me see. Developed Markets Property. I don't think I have that one. I don't. No, I didn't have it last year according to my list. So let's look into this a little bit. So I currently have 3 shares. It's valued at 53 pounds and 61 pence. It's overall up by almost £2. And let's look at recent activity to see when I actually bought this. So, oh yes, I bought it in March, so it would have been after I had filmed and shared the last update with you guys. So I bought it March last year, and it paid May last year. It paid out a dividend. It paid out in August and it paid out in November of last year. This year it has paid out in February, so I guess I am waiting for the May one. So I'm expecting something at the end of this month, in August and in November as well. So yeah, right now I am at 3 shares. I'm happy that it's up by almost £2, which is great. So this one is new. I didn't have it last year. The next one that we see on the screen is Jupiter. I did have Jupiter last year. So with Jupiter, I was at 33 shares. I'm currently at 63 shares and it was valued at 27 pounds and 58 pence. It's currently 49 pounds and 1 pence. This one, yo, this one is down by a whooping 30 pounds. Like, damn, okay. Yeah, so and this one is like less than £1, but it's kind of like my investment has theoretically lost about £31, but because I haven't sold anything, I've never sold anything with my free trade portfolio. Every single dividend that I get from this portfolio is reinvested. I never take money out. I don't intend to. I want to leave this alone for like 10 years and do absolutely nothing. So let's see. But yeah, so it's, yeah. It's crazy, but yeah, this one I believe I do get. Do I get dividends? Yes, I do get dividends. Did get one last year September and last year May, so I'm expecting something at the end of this month as well with this investment bag. Crazy. What do we have next? We have Commodities. Did I have Commodities? Yes, I did. I had 2 shares last year. This year I have 7 shares. Last year was valued at £10.17. It's currently valued at £38.50. Overall, this investment has lost about over £1 now, and I believe it does pay dividends. Let's have a look. Do you pay dividends? No, you don't pay dividends. Interesting. Yeah, this one doesn't pay dividends, which is really interesting. It might be on the chopping block for getting sold because I just want to have only dividends for this portfolio. Yeah, I think this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look into anything that does not pay dividends is going to get sold, and then I'll buy something else that pays dividend because we're just trying to do dividends only. But obviously right now, well, I think I can go ahead and sell it. Let's see, Max. Yeah. Since 14th March, May 2020 is when they did this was set up. In the last year, it's down 5 pence. 6 months, it's up 24 pence. Down 46 pence in the last 3 months. In in the last month, it's up 6 pence. Last 7 days, up 6 pence. The last day, nothing, no change, which again is okay. But I think, I think I'm gonna sell it. Yeah, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell all of it. I've never actually done like selling whilst I'm filming a video on this one, but I'm gonna sell all of it. And then I'll look on what I actually want to invest in. So okay, let's confirm the sell. Oh my God, I can't believe you see, I can be quite impulsive. I was saying this to my therapist earlier that I can be quite impulsive. Here we are. So yeah, okay. So no commission. Sold it for the 38 pounds. Okay. Yeah, okay, so this is sold. Yeah, commodities is sold, yo. Okay, next one is Ultra Bonds. So with Ultra Bonds, did I have Ultra Bonds before? Yes, I did, and that was 3 shares last year. I'm currently at 7 shares, and it was valued at £15.20. It's currently £35.75, and this does pay dividends. Yeah, the last dividend was back in December last year, and I bought something in February of this year. But yeah, otherwise, this portfolio has a gain of about 30 pence. So, yay me. Okay, so we're gonna leave this one alone. I've got Footsie 100 distribution. I know I did not have Footsie 100 last year. So I currently have 4 shares. It's valued at £33.90. It's up overall by over £2, almost £3. So if we just go to activity, it does pay dividends, which is important for this portfolio. My first investment in this was back in March last year. So yeah, that's why it wasn't in the update last year, because I hadn't bought it then. So yeah, otherwise honky dory with this one. Next one that I have is Lazy Days. This was a free share, so I don't really bother much with this one. Still remains a free share. It's valued at 12 pence, so we'll leave this one alone. I'm not really doing anything with this one. I'm not investing in it. I'm not doing nada, so we're just going to leave that one alone. But I had it last year as well. And then I have this, which I believe was also a free share, but this one I think is in the process of being sold or something. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but it's there, yo. There's nothing. I'm not even gonna bother talking about that one. But yeah, so I still have a free share apparently in the queue, but this has been like this for a while, yo, and I don't know. I'm again gonna leave it alone. So if we go down, I have a watch list of like stocks that I'm currently watching, and should I have the monies available, I would like to invest in there. And yes, Tesla is there as well, because even with the crazies, it's still a good investment, I think, but we're not investing in it at the moment. I'm not going to choose Apple because I invest in Apple on Plum, but I did want to invest in the S&P 500 distribution. But yeah, I don't know if can I buy. I don't think I can buy fractional shares on here. Can I? Let me see what happens. I think I can. Can I? Let's see. Let's put 38 and 86 pence. Okay, yeah, it does. It looks like I can't buy fractional shares on this one. So I have to have like the amount to be able to buy it. But that's one that I am watching. But that is the portfolio, yo. From last year, we were at 802 and 61 pence, and we're currently at 1,419 and 83 pence. Oh, something I didn't mention is the Treasury. I don't know if I had the Treasury last year. When did I buy this? Ooh, I don't know. I don't know when I bought this, but I believe I've had it for a while now. It's a UK Treasury bill. Last annual yield. Yeah, no, I don't know when I bought this. but I've had it for a minute and I don't mind it, to be honest. I just leave this one alone. This, I don't do anything with this. Well, oh well. Yeah, so that is a treasury, but this is something I don't believe I had in the last update. So we have some monies from selling the commodities. Now it's just a case of figuring out what do I actually want to buy to replace that. I'm not really sure because right now my portfolio performance is up, which is good. I haven't seen it like this for a while now, which is crazy. But that's okay. Let's see. It's mostly stocks, and then I've got some REITs, bonds, and I have some cash because I've just sold something, and we've taken out the commodities. But I wonder, like, let me see if there's also something else like S&P 500 that I can buy. So I believe if it's got like a lock means I can't buy it from my portfolio. To be eligible to buy the stock, you must answer. Oh, yeah, okay. And I have to upgrade the plan, so which I'm not going to do. Oh, Invesco, that's high. Oh, there is this one. I can buy a different S&P 500. 500 large US stocks, yeah. Dividend. Okay. They do pay out dividend. Oh, wait, but the last one was like 2021. Okay, no. Now's not the time for me to be simping here. I need to do some more investigation before I buy anything. But I think I did do a little bit of research in this one. Yeah, I think I did do a bit of research. So, yeah, but let's stop sharing the screen. Child, where is the screen share thing? There you go. Okay, so that is the portfolio. You guys, this, I feel like this video was all over the place, but I do need to like quickly just take a screenshot of my portfolio and then I can include that in this video. But that was my portfolio update for Freetrade. It's been a minute. I didn't think I would be talking over 15 minutes for this video, but alas, here we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video real soon.